Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
I don't think we have to worry about your disciples being in the criminal courts now, do we? Don't have to worry about that. You have fine followers here.
Yeah.
This community. Fine community.
Yeah.
Good people.
A magistrate or a lawyer is already graduate. If there is a lawyer, it is to be understood that he has passed his graduate examination. Similarly, if one is Vaishnava, it is to be understood that he has already become a Brahmin. Is it clear? Why we offer you the sacred thread? That means there is Brahminical standard. Unless one is Brahmin, he cannot become Vaishnava. Just like unless one is graduate, he cannot become lawyer. So, as a lawyer means he is already graduate of the university. Similarly, a Vaishnava means he is already Brahmin.
So therefore, the Vaishnavas, they are all they should have no contamination of passion and ignorance. Therefore, they should all be on the platform.
Vaishnava means, bhakti means, bhakti parishanubhava virakti annattasad. Bhakti means realization of God consciousness. And the symptom of God consciousness is that he is averse to all material activity. He has no interest.
So then the Brahmin has no interest in being, the Vaishnava has no interest in being Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, but he takes some specific occupation.
That is, he actually on the topmost position, he has no interest. But so long he is not so perfect, he has interest. Therefore that interest should be corroborated or what is called adjusted according to the Brahminical, Kshatriya. Because in that time the people are so rotten, people could not understand what is God. Therefore he took up that. First of all, let them become sinless. Then one day will come, he will understand what is God. Lord Crash also said, thou shalt not kill. And the people at that time are killers. Otherwise, why does he say, thou shalt not kill? Why this first commandment? Because full of killers. Not very good society. If in a society constantly there is killing, murder, is that very good society? So therefore he first of all asked not to kill. First of all let them become sinless. Then they will understand what is God. And here Bhagavad-gita confirms, Jisam antagatam pavan, one who has become completely sinless. So, God consciousness is meant for the person who is sinless. He cannot become God conscious at the same time sinful. And that is cheating. A God conscious person means he has no sin. He cannot be within the jurisdiction of sinful activities. That is God conscious. He cannot become God conscious at the same time sinful. That is not possible. So, everyone can understand whether I am actually God conscious or not by judging his own activities. There's no need of asking for external certificate. Whether I am fixed up on this principle, no illicit sex, no meat-eating, no gambling, no intercourse. If one is sincere, he can judge himself whether I am actually on the platform or not. Just like you are hungry, if you have eaten something, then you can feel strength, satisfaction. There is no need of external certificate. Similarly, God consciousness means whether you are free from all sinful activity. Then it is. A God conscious person will not be inclined to any sinful activity.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.